Hello, it's Haley. We're changing the name up because it's 2012. It's the magic year. We're gonna call it the Armageddon Report or something. Eddie Izzard, of course, said Armageddon, French for Armageddon out of here. Yeah, that's the joke. So, is there Armageddon in earthquake land? Of course, the whole world's on fire and has been shooken up. Is probably not the right transition of that verb, transitive, I don't know. Conjugation of that verb. The whole world is shaken. Can't do anything about it, can we? We can look at data, though, and pretend like we're at least informed. Oh, I got nothing. Yeah. Strongest earthquake today was quite deep, 348 kilometers. So, though I believe it was originally a 7.0, and then it, I guess, got revised to a 6.8. But if you look at the feel it, or did you feel it? It wasn't terribly strong, so it looks like we've got maybe some 5, so moderate shaking, very light damage. That looks like a week, and then not felt. So thanks for that, Moriyama, for responding and saying, no, don't feel it at all. And hey, how about that? Now we can hover over and see. Looks like 4s, maybe some 5s, I don't know. Right, and then of course the most recent earthquake, as always, California. Somewhere in California there is an earthquake happening all the time. High temperatures today, pretty traditionally spaced out how it should be. We've got some blues for the high temperature, and then the low temperatures tonight, quite cold in lots of places except for southern Florida, 63. We've got lots of wind and stuff going on. So we've got avalanche warning over here, right? We've got the high wind watch, so that's what those things would be. Air quality advisory or something of the sort, probably. Air quality alert. Right, red flag warning, haven't seen those for a while. That's where things may set themselves on fire. Right. I'm going to have to look up the difference. It's you don't want to have lightning strike a dry land or something might spread. Oh, I don't know. That was helpful. Anyway, it's fire related. So this would be high wind warning, surrounded by a whole bunch of wind advisories pretty much everywhere. Over here in Florida, we have it's either hard freeze watch or freeze watch. Apparently they use the same exact color. Well, I mean, look at that. Does that look like 2 different shades of blue to you? It does not to me. And they are 2 different things. Freeze is like when it's going to be cold for a little bit, if I remember correctly. Hard freeze is it's going to be cold 7 nights in a row and you'll experience crop damage and stuff of the sort. One of these is a winter storm warning. One of these is an advisory, I did believe. Right, pink is the winter storm warning. The purple is the winter weather advisory. And this must be lake effect colors is all I can figure. Lake shore flood warning. I have not seen that one before. And then there's lake effect snow warning. That basically looks like the same exact shade of greenish blue to me. Lake effect snow watch. Over here, who's getting the heavy snow? The Great Lakes region with all the shaded, the white hatched areas. Right, here we have the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. I should just call it HPC, it's so much quicker. So what we're looking at is the probability of at least 4 inches, at least 8, at least 12, and this is related to freezing rain, and apparently there's not a whole lot of, or at least not a 1/4 inch is not going to happen. So what do you make of this? High is the red, so there's a high probability in all the red areas that there will be at least 4 inches. There's a high probability there will be at least 8 inches. And then over here we have a moderate risk, in some areas at least it looks that way to me, that there will be at least 12 inches. And then in the non-news category, right, we have severe thunderstorms. So Armageddon is not going to be brought to you by a tornado today. It's going to be mostly about the snowfall. And then tomorrow, we have some, here you go. We have some thunderstorm areas, but nothing severe. We'll look at the long-term thing where there's probably nothing going on. Right, potential too low, but February. Come February, we'll start paying attention, aren't we? I mean, we pay attention every day, whether anything is happening or not, just so we can cry wolf. Yeah, so mostly it's about winter. Winter's happening and windy winter. Windy winter watch. We need more W's. Right. Anyway, Wicked Wix is a website that's over here, wickedwx.com, and of course you can head on over to weather.gov, it stands for government. That's how you pronounce it, government. Right. Anyway, you have fun with your Armageddon time. We'll be back tomorrow to see if the world has ended, and obviously if it ended, how can we report on it?